In this video, we will be reviewing Opteck, a trading platform for the binary options market. In the past, Opteck.com used to operate by a Belize-based company, so basically operating in the Wild West since 2011. But since October 2014 is operated by a company by the name of Central Spot Trading Limited, which is authorized and regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CySEC. Is this good? Well, it's better than dealing with a non-regulated company. However, as we will see, many financial companies operating from Cyprus have, at best, a dubious reputation, and Opteck is one bad apple. Besides Opteck.com, they also have Opteck.biz, which seems to operate under an irrelevant regulatory license from Belize. Binary options trading gives you the ability to trade on all four major financial markets: stock currencies, commodities, and indices. Now, you are simply trading on the price of a financial asset. You will predict whether the asset's value will go up, a call option, or go down, a put option. The broker platform is in-house built. In the past they have used the Market Pulse platform, but they now developed an in-house platform. The minimum deposit is $250 or pounds or euros. Now that's a sizable deposit, is already really a red flag. The other is that they don't even offer a free demo account. Now the minimum investment is $25. Currencies are US dollar, euro, Great British pound, and Japanese yen. Now Opteck claim that once you sign up, you will be assigned an account manager who will walk you through step by step towards becoming a successful trader. Now in reality, all he'll do is to try to get you to deposit more money. Now they claim that no prior experience or knowledge is expected from you, which is somewhat alarming. But what are binary options? Well, binary options trading gives you the ability to trade on all four major financial markets: stocks, currencies, commodities, and indices. You are simply trading on the price of a financial asset. You'll predict whether the asset's value will go up, a call option, or go down, a put option. When your prediction is correct, you will then make, say, 85% return on top of your initial investment. So let's have a look at the accounts. There are 5 account classifications with escalating benefits. Now we start off with the bronze, which has a deposit range of $500 to $99. Then from there we have the silver, which has a deposit range of $1,000 to $4,099, which for some reason they're saying is the best value. Then from there we have gold, which is between $5,000 and $999. And then we have platinum deposit, which is between $10,000 and $24,999. As we can see, there are varying so-called benefits to that, most of which I would imagine anyone trading within these ranges wouldn't really need anyway. And then from there we have the black account, which is between $25,000 and $50,000. So can you see a pattern? The account benefits are a ruse to get more money out of you. Opteck bonuses and promotions. In general, bonuses come with terms that make drawing on the bonus itself pretty much impossible. Opteck also make available several trading tools, mobile trading apps for the iPhone and Android. Traders can view the video tutorials, a free ebook, and an opportunity to talk to a so-called expert one-on-one. There is also a set of 5 binary option tutorials for traders with live accounts. In addition, a free demonstration is available in the trading room. However, we are told this is not even a true demo account. There is no balance and no trading history, and is prone to disconnections. The demo account is only available to depositors, we are told. At Opteck, there are more than 100 assets available for trading. Traders can speculate on financial products such as stocks, Apple, Facebook, and so on. Currency pairs, Euro, US dollar, Pound, US dollar, and more. And then we also have commodities such as gold, sugar, oil, and indices such as the Nasdaq, FTSE, CAC 40, and so on. So let's look at the different option types. In high-low, you simply decide whether the market price will close higher or lower than the current price. In range, you choose a boundary, either above call or below put, the strike price. The asset price must stay within the boundary at the expiry time for you to be in the money. If it exits the boundary, you will be out of the money. And then we also have one touch. You choose one of the two price lines, put or call, and then the price must touch this line once within the trade time frame for you to be in the money. Now the trading interface itself is very simple. You can trade directly from the chart by clicking the up or down arrows, as we can see here. So we can place a trade by going up or down. It's very simple. We adjust the amounts here. Once you click the up arrow, a box automatically appears and you can select the desired amount to invest. You can also sell a contract before expiry for options with an expiry period longer than 5 minutes. So once you open a call or put trade, if you feel like the price is not going your way, you can choose to sell the option, i.e. close the trade after 30 seconds once you place a trade and 1 minute before it finishes. And by doing so, you will receive back a part of your initial investment. They also work with SignalsXP to provide traders with trade signal alerts. So you can sign up for an Opteck account and deposit some money. After that, you will start receiving binary option signals from Opteck. Sounds great, yeah? So basically the broker is telling you which asset to trade, with which underlying asset to trade, with which expiry times, and whether to choose a call or put option. Opteck is a gambling site. Their priority is to get you to invest, wager, as much as they possibly can. Their experts will use cons like a good pool shark to pressure and trick you to always put more money in. Then they will systematically help you empty your account. When you want to withdraw what's left, they will throw every imaginable obstacle in your way to prevent that from happening. If they sense you're going to close the account, they will give you the opportunity to recover your losses. The goal seems to be to deplete as much of the account as possible to ensure there's nothing really left to withdraw. It is a gambling site that masquerades as an investment site, sadly. It appears their only goal is to take money in. Do not expect this to be a profitable experience, no matter what they tell you. They are very persuasive, but not honest. If you're a gambler who's just looking for a thrill and have no need of the money, knock yourself out. Opteck will profile you to determine how much money they can squeeze out of you. They will go after your savings and push to have you take loans in order to provide your account with flexibility. They will offer risk-free trades, guaranteed investments, and demonstrate amazing results only with their help on limited occasions. These are designed to dupe you into investing as much as possible. From the first contact, they will systematically put on very high pressure to increase your investment. This is gambling, and the house always wins. Losses are huge and winnings relatively small. They are only interested in you if they think you will invest more. Their webinars and one-on-one sessions are designed to empty your account. They make money when you lose money. Once they've got as much as they can get out of you, they don't respond to emails and miss appointments. They lie about the promises made to secure further investments. This company has no integrity. Do not trust anything the account manager or anyone else says or does. The chief analysts are frauds who are incapable of making money using their own system. To add to all of this, I've stumbled across a number of videos on the internet promoting free trading software like the Market Buster app or Profit from Home system that promises a secret algorithm to make unlimited profits using an automated system. Now, once you register with them, they will forward you to register with an account with Opteck. And what happens when you finally deposit the money and lose all of it using their automated software? You are left on your own, and you cannot take any legal actions against the scammers because it is already stated in the disclaimer that they are not responsible for your actions and no guarantees are made to you. Now, the positive reviews you see are likely paid Opteck promoters. They are essentially telemarketing operation. They call their clients on the phone and have aggressive sales practices. They are, however, very good at making excuses and creating deceptions. Be warned that these types of guys are very pushy and they will do anything to stall withdrawals. Now, here's what one victim said. Whenever I ask for a withdrawal from my account manager keeps changing and the new one wants to make me take some trade to recover and will only approve the withdrawal after that. To get my withdrawal approved, I was made to take a trade which I lost and lost and lost. I am made to beg for my own money. The account manager never replies, billing never replies, complaints never reply. A standard answer from customer support: sir, they have tried reaching you, but you are not reachable. Please ensure your phone is switched on. Another one said, please never trust this broker. They will call you again and again till you sign up. As soon as you sign up, they will push you again and again to deposit more. Please beware. They will change the rules to what suits them. For instance, one client said, I was really enjoying the trading and started to gain a bit of confidence until one day I went to the trading platform as usual and placed my trade only to be told this trade is below the minimum trade allowed. I thought there was some sort of problem with the site and emailed my account manager to see what was going on. I did not get an answer for 4 days and then was told that the upper management of Opteck had decided it was time for me to start making money for Opteck, and they had therefore set the minimum trade allowed at $2,000. And another said, I started asking questions when the expiry of the trade was inconsistent with what I had traded. Additionally, unlike other platforms which update your account right after the trade, there is a waiting time. This suggests that there is some manipulation. So yes, the people at Opteck are highly educated and know what they're talking about. That's the problem. They are smart enough to also take advantage of those who do not understand the stocks, and they will not test you to see how much you know about the stocks before they open their mouths. They also randomly change the rules and make up rules as they go. For instance, bonus trade volumes must be met before withdrawals can be made, even though it's stated clearly that's not necessary in the terms and conditions. it actually is required. When you ask for a withdrawal, they may even ask you for a signed copy of Opteck's terms and conditions. And oh yes, be very careful about accepting risk-free trade sessions. If you get cash back from a losing session and Opteck tells you there are no strings attached, please refer to the terms and conditions, there are chains, not strings. Honestly, they are pretty well covered by their terms and conditions, but do not expect them to go over any material with you. They are safe in the knowledge that most people do not study the terms and conditions. Please read the terms and conditions over and over again. They give themselves the right to do just about anything with your money once they have it. And don't be impressed when they claim to be regulated. I'm not finding much in the way of consumer protection out there. Opteck is an unscrupulous provider. Stay away from them. When they want you to put your money in, you will receive lots of calls. But when you want to withdraw, not a single reply to your mails. In reality, I think Opteck has created an online casino that exists without true regulation and can exert more control over your money than any casino and can change the odds as they deem necessary. I have been involved with trading for many, many years, and there is one main rule I live by, which is if you deal in the stock market and cannot make buying decisions yourself, chances are you will lose. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button if you found it useful. Thanks so much.